In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine audios in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working with multiple audio clips and want to treat them like a single piece, DaVinci Resolve has a simple feature that makes this much easier. Combining your clips into one compound clip can help keep your timeline organized, especially when you're editing voiceovers, music, sound effects, or layered audio that you want to move and manage together. To begin, go to your audio track in the timeline. This is where your separate audio clips are placed. Take a moment to locate the clips you want to combine. Before selecting them, it's a good idea to make sure these are the exact clips you want grouped together, because the goal here is to turn multiple pieces into one combined clip that behaves as a single unit inside your project. Once you've found the right clips, select the audio clips you would like to combine. Make sure all of the necessary clips are highlighted. If you miss one, it won't be included in the combined result, so it's worth quickly double-checking your selection before moving on. After selecting the clips, right-click on any one of the highlighted clips to open the context menu. In that menu, choose New Compound Clip. This will combine the selected audio clips into a compound clip, allowing you to work with them more efficiently in the timeline. This is especially useful if you want to keep related audio together without accidentally shifting individual clips out of place. It can also make your editing process cleaner, since you'll be working with one grouped item instead of several separate ones. If you ever need to make changes later, remember that a compound clip is mainly for organization and easier handling, so it's a practical option when you want better control over multiple audio elements at once. And that's all it takes to combine audios in DaVinci Resolve. It's a quick and helpful method that can save time and make your timeline much easier to manage, especially as your project gets more complex. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.